Ever wondered what secrets our solar system still holds? It's not all just stars and lifeless rocks out there. Each year brings new jaw-dropping revelations that make our cosmic neighborhood feel more alive and mysterious than ever. So, buckle up, because today we're taking a grand tour across the solar system, from Mercury all the way to the elusive Planet 9, unveiling some of the latest and most astonishing discoveries. And trust me, the further we go, the more mind-bending it gets. I am Bob, and you are watching Space Theory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. 1. Mercury is shrinking. Let's kick things off with Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, that's getting even smaller. Yep, you heard that right. Mercury is literally shrinking. Scientists have long known that as Mercury cooled over billions of years, it contracted, leaving behind giant cracks or scarps across its surface. Picture a grape turning into a raisin. That's essentially what Mercury has been doing. But here's the twist. New research suggests that Mercury has been shrinking for most of its life and might still be doing so today. How did scientists figure this out? They took a closer look at those scarps and found that some of them are only about 300 million years old, not billions, as previously thought. That's like discovering a fresh wrinkle on an ancient mummy, suggesting there's still some action happening under Mercury's crust. And here's where it gets really interesting. Recent data has revealed the existence of salty glaciers in some of Mercury's craters. These glaciers, located in regions that are perpetually shadowed, could have the right conditions for extreme life forms, similar to microbes found in Earth's most inhospitable environments. Can you imagine? Life on the planet closest to the Sun, a world that experiences temperatures hot enough to melt lead. 2. Oxygen found on Venus, but not what you think. Next stop, Venus. Often called Earth's evil twin, Venus is a scorching hellscape with surface temperatures that could melt metal. Yet, this year, scientists found something intriguing: oxygen in its atmosphere. Now, before we start imagining little green men, let's get a few things straight. This isn't the kind of oxygen that we breathe. It's a thin layer of molecular oxygen detected by NASA's Stratospheric Observatory that flew high above Earth's atmosphere to get a clear view. So, how did this oxygen form? It's the result of solar radiation breaking down carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide molecules in the Venusian atmosphere. Think of it as cosmic chemistry in action. But don't get your hopes up. This oxygen is in such low concentrations that it's practically useless for potential human colonists. Nevertheless, it's a remarkable discovery because it changes what we thought we knew about Venus's atmosphere. But that's not the only headline Venus made this year. Scientists also discovered that the planet has thousands more volcanoes than we ever imagined. And the kicker? A majority of them could still be active. This changes our understanding of Venus from a mostly dead planet to one that's potentially geologically alive, with volcanic eruptions shaping its surface even today. 3. The Moon, older and hotter than we thought. Turning our gaze to our very own Moon, a recent study just turned the clock way back on its age. For decades, scientists believed that the Moon formed about 4.4 billion years ago. However, a fresh analysis of zircon crystals brought back by the Apollo 17 mission revealed that the Moon might actually be at least 40 million years older than previously thought. These crystals are essentially time capsules, solidifying our understanding of the Moon's history. And if that wasn't enough to blow your mind, scientists have detected a mysterious heat-emitting blob on the Moon's far side. Theories suggest it could be the remnants of volcanic activity or an unknown substance lurking beneath the lunar surface. So, our Moon, which we've always seen as a cold, barren rock, might have a much more dynamic story beneath its surface layers. 4. Mars is spinning faster, and scientists are stumped. Now, to the red planet. Here's a riddle for you. What's spinning faster every year, and no one knows why? If you guessed Mars, you're spot on. Using data from NASA's InSight mission, scientists discovered that Mars's rotation is accelerating at a rate of 4 milliarcseconds per year. To put it in simpler terms, the Martian day is getting shorter, but not by much, just a fraction of a second. Why is this happening? Scientists have two main theories. One is that ice accumulating at Mars's poles is causing a redistribution of mass, affecting the planet's rotation. The second theory is something called post-glacial rebound, a process where land masses rise after being buried under ice for millennia. It's like Mars is slowly shrugging off a heavy winter coat, but the why and how of it remains a mystery. This isn't the only thing puzzling scientists about Mars. They recently solved the mystery of the planet's largest recorded Marsquake, which shook the surface like nothing seen before. And if you've ever dreamed of living on Mars, here's some food for thought. Researchers have calculated the minimum number of people needed to start a sustainable Martian colony. Ready to pack your bags? 5. Jupiter's moons. Jupiter, the king of planets, has just upped the stakes in the moon counting game. Scientists confirmed 12 new moons orbiting this gas giant, bringing the total to 92, an all-time record. Most of these newly discovered moons are small, ranging from 0.6 to 2 miles wide. 9 of them have wide, distant orbits, taking more than 550 days to make a single loop around Jupiter. It's as if Jupiter is hosting its own tiny solar system. In addition to the moon bonanza, NASA's Juno spacecraft recently detected organic compounds on the surface of Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede. These compounds likely originate from the moon's subsurface ocean, hinting that conditions there could potentially support life. This discovery adds Ganymede to the growing list of moons that might harbor the secrets of life beyond Earth. 6. Saturn strikes back. 62 new moons. Not to be outdone, Saturn threw its hat into the ring by gaining a staggering 62 new moons this year, bringing its grand total to 145. These new additions are mostly irregular moons with distant, elliptical orbits, and some even move in retrograde, opposite to Saturn's rotation. The discovery paints a picture of Saturn as a chaotic collector of celestial debris, a planet that draws in anything within its gravitational grasp. Adding to the excitement, scientists also discovered a key organic compound erupting from the surface of Saturn's icy moon Enceladus. This compound, known as phosphates, is a crucial building block for life as we know it, suggesting that the hidden ocean beneath Enceladus's icy crust could be one of the most promising places to look for life. 7. Uranus, a giant polar vortex revealed. Out in the icy frontier of our solar system lies Uranus, a planet that, until recently, seemed relatively quiet and unchanging. But new images have revealed a gigantic polar vortex swirling around its north pole. Think of it as a massive, swirling ring of air that circulates the planet's polar region. The discovery of this vortex challenges the long-held view that Uranus has a largely inert atmosphere. Now, scientists are left wondering what else this enigmatic ice giant might be hiding. 8. Neptune's mysteries. Spots and vanishing clouds. Neptune continues to play tricks on astronomers. This year, a new dark spot was captured from Earth-based telescopes, revealing a storm system similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot but far more mysterious. But Neptune wasn't done yet. A bright spot appeared for a few weeks and then vanished just as quickly, leaving scientists scratching their heads. And if that wasn't strange enough, astronomers also noticed that all of Neptune's clouds had suddenly disappeared. It's like the planet hit the reset button on its atmosphere. The prevailing theory suggests this could be linked to the Sun's solar cycle, hinting at complex interactions between Neptune and our star that we're only beginning to understand. 9. Pluto's supervolcano, cryovolcanic wonderland. Pluto, the dwarf planet that was once considered the 9th planet of our solar system, revealed yet another secret. A cryovolcano the size of Yellowstone. This icy volcano, named Kilauea Caldera, erupts with a slurry of water, ice, and other frozen gases instead of molten rock. Recent analysis of data from NASA's New Horizons mission suggests that this volcano has erupted multiple times, meaning Pluto might still have some internal heat keeping it geologically active. Imagine an eruption so cold it could freeze a city, yet powerful enough to reshape a planetary surface. 10. Planet 9. Real or gravitational illusion? And now, for the grand mystery, Planet 9. Out in the fringes of our solar system, beyond Neptune, there are gravitational anomalies that suggest the presence of a hidden planet up to 10 times the size of Earth. Some scientists think this Planet 9 could explain the odd orbits of objects in the Kuiper Belt, but new research offers an alternative explanation. a different kind of gravity known as modified Newtonian dynamics, MOND. This theory proposes that objects near the edge of our galaxy experience a stronger gravitational pull than traditional models predict. So, are we looking for a phantom planet, or is it the galaxy itself playing tricks on us? For now, Planet 9 remains an enigma. And there you have it, an incredible year of cosmic discoveries, each one revealing a new layer of our solar system's secrets. But here's the thing, our journey doesn't end here. The universe has so much more to show us, and I want you to be part of this ongoing adventure. So, what do you think about these discoveries? Does Planet 9 exist, or is it just a trick of gravity? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest mysteries of our solar system, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the wonders of our incredible universe. This is Space Theory, signing off.